by the implementation of New Education Policy 2020, the entire educational system, right from this KG to the this post graduation as well as from the doctoral level, is under a drastic transformation. I would like to put it in the form of disruptions. So this drastic change has to be accommodated into our teaching learning and environment. So definitely we have to restructure the entire processes that we have been undergoing so far. This faculty development program will be giving you some light on how to restructure the curriculum transactions in the lines of outcome-based education. This faculty development program on this outcome-based education in lines of the education 2020, and also the drastic disruptions has been happening by the integration of AI tools. So AI tools will bring about a lot of smart processes in our, if you're integrating AI in the real sense, we'll be able to reduce our workload by at least by 60%, because a lot of things could be tapped out from these platforms, and that could be effectively integrated into our teaching learning spaces.